Today is 28th October 2030. The Dhamma course on Nibbana will start 9 o'clock. As you are shared the copies, handout copies, Nibbana Katha. This is a takeout from Tripitaka. The first one is Udana Pali, belong to Khodaka Nikaya. You can find out this in Tripitaka books. Udana. Udana means expression of emotion. The Buddha talked to himself, not to others. Udana means speak to himself. Expression of emotion. Very happy. Contemplating Nibbana. So the Buddha explained Nibbana in Udana Pali. So they are mentioned Patama Nibbana Patisanyutta Sutta. Patama means the first. Nibbana Patisanyutta means concerning Nibbana. About Nibbana. Sutta discourse on about Nibbana or concerning Nibbana. So according to this sutta, I will explain about Nibbana. Before explaining, before teaching, this is sutta. We should have a basic knowledge. When the Buddha explained in Nibbana,